In this video, we'll show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Sharing your live location is great when you're meeting someone or if they need to track where you are. To start, open the chat in WhatsApp where you want to share your location. For this example, I'll use this conversation. Next, if your keyboard isn't open, tap the plus icon at the bottom left. Once it opens, select Location. WhatsApp will ask for permission to access your location, so tap Allow. At the bottom, you'll now see an option to share live location. Tap on it, and a message will appear letting you know that people in the chat will be able to see your location in real time. You can also choose how long you'd like to share your location. For example, you can select 1 hour. When you're ready, tap Send, and that's it. Your location is now shared live. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.